But how about we actually make it go to a new component? When we do that. So we'll make a new component. I'll call it GithubUser.js. We'll make this a real component as well. Import React and component from React. Class GithubUser extends component. Render method, return some JSX. Don't forget to export default GithubUser. Just throw testing in here. We'll import this in github.js. Import GithubUser from /GithubUser. Now I want to add a route for this. So inside github.js, because we know it'll match that, we'll import route from React Router DOM. And I want the form to show up even if we go to / some user. So that's why I'm putting this route inside here. I still want this route to load. I just may want an additional route to load also. So how about right after the form, let's add a route. And the path will be /GitHub / anything. And the next thing will be the username, right? So I can put :username, and that will make it a param. So basically, if there's anything after a /, I want to load the other component, GithubUser, which I imported. See if that works. If it works, yep, I expect the word testing here. So if I just go to /GitHub, that's not there. If I type somebody in, the word testing shows up. So let's look at that new component. Here it is, GithubUser. And I've got history, location, and match. Now, I'm actually passing a route in, right? I mean, excuse me, I'm passing a param in the route. Because it got to GithubUser by matching this, which includes the param username. So remember, we always get those three props, history, location, and match. The params are on match. So match, params, username. And it's whatever came after the / in the URL. So in this component, I could print out this .props .match .username .params, excuse me. This .props .match .params .username. That's a lot of dots. And now it says dstruce there. Put in someone else, it says theirs. Right? So whatever comes after it in the username. Right? So that's how we get that out of the URL. Questions about that? Using params? Someone this morning did point out, my gosh, that is a lot of dots. That's hideous. If that's bothering you, you could always do something like this. Inside our render function, I could say const params equals this .props.match, and then just say params down here. So if you're going to use a lot of params, that would be much shorter, and it still works fine. I like that a little better. So just extract that out there with destructuring. Cool. So add GithubUser component and route with params.